Okay, we'll see how this goes. Today is just a random Saturday, and I put that other video up yesterday, I believe, and I have no idea what the day is gonna bring, but I got an open bay, and we'll just have to see how it goes. The other thing is, I have kind of a surprise. Panda bought something fun for the channel, and I'm pretty excited to test it out. We're gonna go do some of that in a little bit too. So hopefully some shop stuff for an hour or two, and then on to adventures. Dang, that's some baller stuff right there.
It's that full race. So who made it? Who made this exhaust? Is it full race?
Yeah, this one's made with full race. With who makes this header? Skunk 2? It's the
Yeah,
Alpha?
Skunk 2 Alpha.
What size is it?
The exhaust is a 3-inch.
Yeah, it's pretty much 3-inch all the way back, even the merge collector.
Yeah.
Pretty big. But went on pretty smooth.
I want to see what it sounds like.
Yeah, we'll fire it up in a minute and we'll hear it.
Yeah.
That's another thing I need to take off there.
So is this like the first liftoff, or you guys were doing it the other night, right?
Last night, and it went okay. I need some GPS.
You need GPS?
Yeah, it won't even take off. It doesn't have GPS.
All the finances of this place.
Oh, okay.
Gotta put on some O2 extenders now, and then that is my last job of the day. Yari and Panda are out here power washing. And then we're gonna go play with the drone a little bit more. Are you gonna make it follow you?
Yeah. Did you want to get in? Like possibly the back?
I'll just watch from out here and see what it does.
Well, we are gonna go, and Yari, I'm ready whenever you are.
Oh man, Panda and Yari, drone and test driving, take one. Can you see it up there? Okay, so officially done with the important stuff like work and making money and putting parts on cars. And Panda's getting his gear ready.
We're gonna go fly drones.
We're gonna go fly some drones. Really excited. We've like wanted to play with this for a while. We've had it like, what, like 4 or 5 days?
Yeah, like I got it Wednesday.
Yeah, we got it Wednesday. We haven't really had a chance to mess with it yet.
It's Saturday. Come on.
I know, it's the weekend. We gotta go fly. Okay, and then we'll go. What is that?
A hearse. Limo hearse.
Dude, that is dope. It needs to have like a CTSB turbo motor in it or something, like some crazy supercharged monster.
Like some more.
So, when you start filming things all the time, you start thinking about other ways to film. And in my opinion, because I watch a lot of YouTube too, like I love like overhead car drone shots. And I mean, the only way to get them is to have a drone. But thanks to Panda, now we have one. I'm so excited to use this thing and like maybe get some better footage for the channel. But I don't know if y'all have considered buying a drone. I guess we could give you like a small little review of what we think of this one. But so far, from out of the box to the little bit of flying and tutorial that we've done, it's been like crazy easy. Like you push buttons, it does automatic patterns, it goes places. The controls is like no harder than any basic video game you've played. It's kind of like a video game controller basically.
It looks like it.
Yeah, so I don't know, pretty intuitive. And the one thing I haven't seen yet, but we'll have to look at it when we get it back, is what the actual camera footage looks like when we're recording. Because I'm not really sure, but I imagine since it's like basically almost a professional level drone that we should be good. So anyway, alright, we'll see you guys in a second. Okay, it's a little windy out here, but we are going to do what like every car dude would want to do with his drone. The first thing is like, you know, figure out how to fly it and then follow your car around and get some cool like aerial shots. So we found a neighborhood that doesn't have too many like lived-in houses. It's just in construction basically, and we're gonna try to drive through these houses and see if we can like figure out how to, you know, make the drone follow Yari in the Accord. Just see what kind of shots we can get, just to kind of let you guys know how easy or difficult that actually is to do. What's up?
Sunglasses ain't nice.
Oh, you got some sunglasses.
Some nice little Spanish sunglasses.
Those are very fancy.
Yeah.
Very fancy. Yeah, we can follow you all around. So if you turn and go down and go this comes all the way back around. You know how.
I'm gonna go left, come around, and then come down this street, and back down this street.
Sure, we'll just keep following you. Get him, drone.